Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. We are dealing with limit at infinity in this problem, and it has to do with the square root. So from earlier, we have said that the limit as x goes to positive or negative infinity of some constant divided by x to some power that is going to go to 0. Okay, so we are going to rely on that fact. So we know we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by some exponent. Which exponent in this case makes sense? On the numerator, the highest degree is 2, and on the denominator, the highest degree is also 2. Okay, your brain might be thinking, what? I see a 4. Why did I say that it's 2? Well, because it's square root of something to the 4th power. Really is w squared right there. Okay, so we are going to divide by w squared, and that's on the numerator. On the denominator, equivalent to w squared would be square root of w to the 4th power, because the denominator has a square root, so I need to divide by square root of that same thing. Okay, so this becomes then limit as w goes to infinity. Okay, 28 divided by w, 28w squared divided by w squared is 28, plus 4w divided by w squared is 4 over w, plus 1 over w squared. Okay, now on the denominator, dividing by w squared means the same as dividing by square root of w to the 4th power. So I'm going to keep, when I divide things with square root, keep the square root the same and divide the things inside the square root. So I will have 49 plus 3 divided by w. So now let's go ahead and take the limit as w goes to infinity. What will happen when w goes to infinity? 28 stays 28. When I have 4 divided by a big number is going to go to 0. 4 divided by a big number is going to 0. 3 divided by a big number is going to 0. So I have 28 over square root of 49. And 28 over square root of 49 is 28 over 7, which is 4. So the limit of that big, huge thing is 4.